Good evening, mathematicians. Tonight we are going to look at a problem involving order of operations. Here's what it says. Ben bought 2 notebooks for $17 each. I'm going to start to annotate the word problems because that's going to be super helpful in keeping track of all this information. So 2 notebooks, $17 each. He bought 3 boxes of pencils for $7 each and a binder for $21. If he spends more than $75, he gets a $10 discount. If he paid with a $100 bill, we're going to write an expression to show how much money he got back from the cashier. All right, let's take this one step at a time. We know that he got 2 notebooks for $17 each. That's multiplication. And if we remember, if we put the parentheses right next to the number, that shows multiplication. He also bought 3 boxes of pencils for $7 each. Again, that's multiplication because each one costs $7, 3 times 7, and a binder for $21. Just one binder, so we only needed to write like this. If we're going to add up and find out how much he spent altogether, we'll put a plus sign in between each of those. What we need to do first is figure out if he spent more than $75, he'll get a $10 discount. So let's quickly find out what this would be. It would be 34, would be 21, and we have another 21. If we were going to add all of those up, what would we get? Let's do it over here. 34 plus 21 is 55 plus another 21. It's 76. Oh my God, he spent one more than $75. So that means he's going to get a discount. So let's see if we can do this. He started with a $100 bill. We're going to subtract the amount that he spent. Let's think about what we need to do in order to figure out how he could get a $10 discount. How would we write that in this expression? So if Ben gets a $10 discount, that means he's going to get $10 back. So we need to do a plus 10. So let's see if this made sense. We had $100 to start with. We did our parentheses because we wanted to do all of those supplies added up together. And then the plus $10 discount is over here. So now if we were going to underline this part, what would it be? It would be 100 minus, we said 76, well, all of that added together, plus 10. So originally, if it's just 100 minus 76, we end up with 24, but then we have to give him $10 back, which is why at the end, Ben should end up with $34 back from the cashier. So now what we really want to pay attention to was this initial expression. Remember, it's an expression because it doesn't have an equal sign. We want to make sure it matches the problem. So we bought 2 notebooks for $17 each. That's 2 times 17. 3 boxes of pencils for $7 each. That's 7 times 3. And 1 binder for 21. And the reason we added these all up because we have to add up the cost of each one. 2 times 7 plus 3 times 7 plus 21. The reason we put 100 in the front is because when you give someone a $100 bill, you subtract what you paid from that. So it's 100 minus all those supplies. And the reason we added the plus 10 at the end is because when you get a discount, you're not spending that money. It's almost like you're receiving it back. So the final expression is 100 minus parentheses 2 times 17 plus 3 times 7 plus 21 parentheses plus 10. That would be the final expression. And our answer, because it did say to solve it, is that Ben would receive $34 back from the cashier. Hope this made sense. Definitely use annotations when you have a word problem. Mark it up, underline it, use different colors to help you keep all the information straight. It will definitely help you break it apart into smaller steps. Good luck.